What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Now today we've got Types of Sneezes by Jordindian once again. Hey, I'm loving Jordindian's videos at the moment. I can't get enough. I'm reacting to heaps of them. Pardon me. So hey, if you guys are new, subscribe. If you guys are interested in more reactions to Jordindian, just anything, scroll through the channel. I'm sure you'll find something you like. But hey, let's check it out. Alrighty, type the stereotype.
What
the fuck?
Thank you.
That was so kind. The religious. Okay. Bro! Oh, that's fun. The buy one, get one free. Oh, he farted. Oh! Ew. Nah. People that do that, they can fucking get in the bin. Stuck in time. Oh, yeah. I hate that. The mannequin challenge. Hey, I know that's copyrighted music, Bo. There we go. The one before the handshake.
What's up?
Oh, I hate that shit. Yeah, hell no. The viral sneeze. What the fuck? Damn, he's killing that dance though. Uh-oh. The accidental mating. What? What the Whoa. Were they about to kiss there at the end? Okay, let's pretend I didn't see that. The overreactor. What the fuck? Oh my god! Damn, he killed that shit. The Punjabi. Bro. The unfortunate.
Hold up. Oh yeah, can I have a peri-peri chicken burger?
Ew, what the fuck? Ew! Oh, that's oh, that is nasty. The racist? How is that possible? Oh, here we go. Oh, no. No, that's not funny, but it is funny. Am I allowed to laugh? I'm gonna laugh, it's funny.
Yeah, what is this? Just because I am Arab, I wear the tob, Habib, you think I'm a bomb? Huh? I say Alhamdulillah, you think I'm a terrorist? This is the media, Habib. The media is putting this in your head. Don't you understand?
That's facts.
Alhamdulillah. Yeah, you got to be kidding.
Yeah.
Jordindian.
Hey, shout out to Jordindian. Subscribe. Is there any bloopers? Here we go. I love the bloopers. That was a bit slow. Why has he got the chair?
Yeah, what is this?
That's how it looks without music. What the fuck? Hey, that is gonna cap it off, guys. Shout out to the boys at Jordindian. Hey, let me know the next ones that I should react to from these boys. Fuck, they're funny. They are the best thing to come to YouTube that I've seen. I know these videos are years old, but for me, like I didn't know until a month ago people told me to react to them. So hey, appreciate that. But hey, that is gonna cap it off, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one.